I love you, Lizzie.
Izi ndagukunda.
Do you love me?
Nawe urankunda?
No.
Oya, ntabwo nkukunda.
Get down now.
Manukaho nona.
What's the point?
Muze urambaza iki ko ushaje by'inkundo urabizi? Haha, nkundo zabagize imbwa.
Lizzie doesn't love me.
Lizzie ntabwo nkunda.
Nobody loves me.
Nta muntu nkunda.
I'm gonna jump!
Ngiye gusimbuka niyahure.
Stop, Liam. Don't.
Itonde Liam wisimbuka hari uwaje.
Sometimes
Rimwe na rimwe rero wa mwana we.
the people we like don't like us back.
Abantu tuba dukunda hari igihe boho baba batadukunda.
Painful, but there's nothing we can do about it.
Yego birababaza ariko nta kintu tuba dushobora kubikoraho.
Don't understand.
Ntabwo mbyumva nicyo ushaka kuvuga.
I do understand.
Ngewe rero ndabyumva ndi hano ngo mbikumvisha haje motivator hano.
I know what it's like when someone doesn't feel the same way about it.
Ndabizi uko bimera iyo hari umuntu utiyumva nk'uko wiyumva. Uyu motivator niwe ngiye kuzahamagara akamfasha Arsene. Ajyaza akambwira ati Deni wangujije amafaranga ko hari aka business ngiye gushoramo. Kumbe aba yajyaniye abakobwa ngo bamukunde. Amaninja yabamazeho.
Someone you can't stop thinking
Yego
about.
ntushobora kuguma utabitekerezaho.
It hurts,
Birababaza.
but you can't make people like you.
Ariko ntiwatuma umuntu utagukunda gukunda.
I don't like her.
Ntabwo mukunda.
I love her.
Ahubwo mukunda bimwe byo gupfa.
I know.
Byo ndabizi.
But love isn't about grand gestures.
Ariko kugaragaza ko ukunda umuntu ntabwo bigomba ngukora urugendo runini.
Or the moon and the stars.
Kandi urukundo nta nubwo ari ukwezi n'inyenyeri.
Just dumb love.
Ahubwo urukundo ni nk'ikirago cy'ikinyamahirwe.
And sometimes
Abwo hari igihe
you meet someone who feels the same way.
uhura n'uwo muhuje urukundo mukabijyamo bimwe binoze.
And then sometimes you're unlucky.
Hari n'igihe nyine ugira umwaka ukayiterwa indobo.
But one day you're going to meet someone who appreciates you for who you are.
Ariko ndakubwiza ukuri umunsi umuzahura n'umuntu uzagushimagiza
I mean, there's
agutetesha.
7 billion people on the planet.
Ndashaka kukubwira ko hari biliyoni 7 z'abantu kuri iyi si.
I know one of them
Ndabizi umwe muri abo ngabo
is going to climb up on a moon for you.
agiye kuzamuka hejuru gukwezi ku bwawe. Yego se yahuye na motivator.
Yeah, you're brilliant.
Yego mwana erega urarenze.
You're very dedicated.
Wowe urarenze uri iboro.
You're going to make someone really happy one day.
Umunsi umwe hari uwo ugiye kuzashimisha.
Not Lizzie.
Apana uyu nguyu ngo ni Lizzie.
Definitely not Lizzie, but someone.
Ntabwo ari uyu nguyu Lizzie ahubwo hari undi ugutegereje.
And it won't happen if you fall off that moon and die.
Ariko ikibabaje ni wihanura aho ngaho ugapfa ntabwo uzabigeraho. Akuzi ko ari byo. Okay.
Right, take care.
Kanireka share kasiniyahure.
Hey, I'll see you again.
Meze bite Maeve ni byiza kongera gukubona.
Nothing says happy abortion like a bouquet.
Nta gituma umuntu yishima nk'indabo nawe yabonye umutera ingingo. Yabonye ko motivator wacu atamubeshyaga byaje gucamo yabuhuye n'umukunda. Baragiye barya isi. Nge nitwa William Deni igikuba mu Agasobanuye. Mwenye mali na mwenye nguvu wibuka following ukande na like.